Alrighty everybody, welcome back to the Swear Car Company. I'm Kyler Allred, and today we're looking at this absolutely stunning 2021 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport for sale out here in Tempe, Arizona. You can just see this thing has a very clean aesthetic. I just love the way that it looks. I also love that sleek, almost hatchback-like design on that back, which kind of reminds me, even though it is a full-size SUV, it just has that sleek curvature, and it just looks so good. I love the black rims as well as the keyless entries. We also do have a hitch right there for bike racks, whatever you may need, as well as an automatic hands-free tailgate, which is great, and just a super spacious trunk. Like, honestly, so much space back there, as well as a security cover and some cargo net to help secure your things in place. I love the tan and black leather interiors, just super spacious back seat, as well as a sunroof that extends all the way back, and it does open up, so that's always a plus side. Take another look. I just love this sleek interior aesthetic. It looks so good. Just plenty of storage space, plenty of options. Honestly, this thing is great. A great family car and just a super sleek ride. Look at that sunroof. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Again, this is the 2021 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport for sale here in Tempe, Arizona. We hope to see you soon here, and have a good one.